Good morning, Austin Ridge family. I certainly hope all my Gators are doing well today. I'm going to wait just a second. I'm going to let a few of you come on in. This is February 3rd, 2021, and it is a wonderful Wednesday. Welcome. I see a class in there. Yay. Going to wait just a little second for more classes to join. Please make sure that you all are telling your friends to join our YouTube page and subscribe, and it will have a little bell come on whenever it is time for morning announcements. All right, my friends, we're going to go ahead and start again. Today is February the 3rd, 2021, and I am Mrs. Oliver, your assistant principal here at Austin Ridge Elementary. Good morning to you all. Let's go ahead and start with our weather for today. The weather will be sunny. Woohoo! Finally, we get some sun. And our high temperature is going to be 50 degrees. It's going to be a beautiful day. Take advantage of just going outside and getting some fresh air today. Today in history. Today in 1834, Wake Forest University was established here in North Carolina. Also, in 2009, Eric Holder becomes the 82nd and the very first African American U.S. Attorney General for the United States. And speaking of history, it's time for our Who Am I segment. I'm going to do yesterday's question again because I want to see if you have an answer for me, okay? So here we go. It said, I was born into a big family. I was the 20th child out of 22. As a child, I was sick a lot, but I was determined to get stronger and stronger. I qualified for the 1956 Summer Olympics in Australia at the age of 16, and I was the youngest member of the track and field team. I became the first American woman to win 3 gold medals in one Olympics. Who am I? So I do have the chat open if you want to give me the answer, because guess what? The answer was shared in our our biographies and breakfast, or rather breakfast and biographies with Ms. McConnell on YouTube. So please make sure that you are always watching breakfast and biographies on our YouTube channel because it gives you the answers. Okay, hint, hint. So the answer to yesterday's question is Mrs. Wilma Rudolph. She was an amazing track and field star, but she was our Who Am I question for yesterday. So I'm going to pose another question for you today. Who am I? I was an African American anthropologist and author who became famous for my short stories and essays about African American culture and racial struggles in the South, as well as my research work in African American folklore. I also played a huge part in the Harlem Renaissance. The most popular of my 4 novels is Their Eyes Are Watching God, which was published in 1937. Who am I? So I want you to go back to breakfast and biographies on our YouTube page, and I guarantee you'll find the answer there. All right, and I'll give you the answer tomorrow morning. All right, so we are on asynchronous day today. So we hope that you are following all of the guides that your teachers have given you, and you are completing all work, okay? We want to make sure that you are successful. So make sure you're following all the slides and guides that your teacher has provided for you, okay? All right. We have a few birthdays today. Happy birthday to Moksha in Miss Ager's class, Aria in Miss Adamson's class, Jua in Miss Dobner's class, and Aslan in Miss Weatherburn's class. Happy birthday to you all. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. We hope you all have a wonderful birthday today. At this time, would you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? With your right hand over your heart, ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. All right, my friends. So once again, I'm going to put another plug in there for you to watch Breakfast and Biographies. Right when you are eating your breakfast, go ahead and turn on that YouTube page and see who is going to be the answer for our Who Am I question. Okay, I'm giving you a lot there. So please just take advantage of our YouTube page. I guarantee you there's a lot there for you, a lot of great stories. And if you want to just catch up on some of our announcements, you can do that as well. But thank you so much for tuning in today. As always, we hope you do your best, be your best, because you are the best. Have a great day, Gators.